Okay, 2465, you're going to be able to take those winds.
Say winds one more time, 2465.
27019er, gust 46.
Yeah, we can take those winds, American 2465.
Roger, be after traffic 3 out. Envoy 3861, Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground, 0.85, have a good day.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, ground 85, Envoy 3861, y'all try to do the same.
Delta 944, you're going to be able to accept those winds as well?
We can accept the winds, we got to get off here soon, otherwise we're going to be below our wind fuel.
Delta 944, go down to Alpha 6, hold short 31 left.
Go down to Alpha 6, hold short 31 left, Delta 944. We need the other American to move up, Delta 944.
Roger. I think 2465, can you hug the line?
Yeah, we heard that.
Alright, got 2430 going around.
I think 2432, turn left heading 270, maintain 3000.
3000, American 2432.
Additional aircraft 31 left, arrival, wind shear alert 20 knot lost at the runway, wind 27036.
And Tower Delta 944, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to make it with our wind fuel here. We're probably going to have to go back to the base.
Roger that. You think you can spin a 180 in place?
If you let us move on to the runway, we probably can, Delta 944.
Alright, that's going to be a while. I think 2465, traffic's 5 out, running 31 left, line of weight.
Lap away, runway 31 left, say winds for American 2465.
27022, gust 46.
Copy, thanks.
Additional aircraft running 31 left, arrival, wind shear alert 20 knot lost at the runway, wind 27022.
At Tower Delta 944, with no one next to us, I think we could do a left 180.
I think 2598, hold your position there if you can.
Yeah, we stopped.
Delta 944, roger, stand by 1 second.
Yeah, we're going to wait for this guy to land.
Delta 944, you can make the left 180 there.
Left 180, Delta 944.
Okay, 2220, Deep Tower 31 left, clear to lane 1260 at 46. Envoy 4011, Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground at 0.85.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, ground 85, Envoy 4011.
And good job.
Appreciate it.
Okay, 25 at 98, traffic's 5 out, runway 31 left, line of weight.
What's the wind?
260 at 46.
That's no good for us,
Okay, 2598, hold short 31 left.
Hold short 31 left.
Okay, 2015, Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground 0.85, have a good.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground, American 2015. Good. That tower gave us a wind update again for 31 left.
260 at 36, gust 46.
Roger.
Okay, 2220, good job today. Exit this high speed, taxi Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground 0.85.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, monitor ground 0.85, American 2220, good day.
Showing winds are 250 at 29er, gust 45.
We need him to go towards 27.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on.
Tower American 1429 is with you, Taro, for the for the RNAV runway 31 left.
I think 1429, Deep Tower 31 left, clear to lane 1250 at 37, gust 45.
Okay, that's beyond our wind, sir. We're going to take this one around, and we're going to do divert to Shreveport.
I think 1429, roger, continue runway heading for now.
Runway heading, America 1429.
Tower Delta 2800, wind check.
Wind 250 at 34, gust 42.
Delta 2800 is unable to approach, need to go around.
Tower Envoy 3819 going around.
Runway 3819, turn left heading 270, climb maintain 3000.
Left heading 270, climb maintain 3000, envoy 3819.
Delta 2800, continue runway heading for now.
Runway heading Delta 2800, currently at 2000, you want a different altitude?
Climb and maintain 3000.
Up to 3000, Delta 2800.
Tower American 2639 coming up on Charlie.
American 2639, Nick up tower 31 left, clear to land wind 260 at 37, gust 44.
Yeah, that's out of limits for us. 2639, we'd like to go around.
American 2639 and Roger, fly runway heading for now, maintain 3000.
Runway heading, maintain 3000, American 2639.
Delta 2800, turn left heading 270.
270, Delta 2800.
39, turn left heading 270, maintain 3000.
Left turn 270 up to 3000, and sir, we're going to want to go back to approach and divert to Oak City.
Oak City, I'll let them know.
Thank you.
And Tower Delta 2800, can I get the frequency for departure again?
118.1.
118.1, Delta 2800, good day.
And for everyone waiting to depart, I'm showing winds 260 at 35, gust 44.
Say again, Wayne.
260 at 34, gust 44.
American 115, we could take the winds at this point.
American 115, Roger.
Any word on departures?
Say again.
Just wondering about departures.
Winds are 250 at 33, gust 44. American 2598, can you accept that? Skywest 4920, what about you?
33, just a little over the limit for us, that direction, that's fine.
Okay, anyone in line go?
115.
American 115. Turn right on Charlie, left on Bravo, I have further for you.
Okay, make a turn Charlie onto Bravo, American 115 Heavy.
Delta 2972 can take it as it is right now.
Who is it?
Delta 2972.
Roger.
And American 175 Heavy, we can also take the winds as we are right now.
Roger that. Skywest 4920. Actually, American 2598. Turn right onto runway 31 left. Taxi down the runway to the 90 and then exit to the right.
Alright, turn onto the runway, taxi down to the 90, and then turn right, American 25.
American 1938, hold your position there.
Say when?
250 at 32, gust 44. And American 1938, can you take those winds?
Negative, sir.
American 1938, taxi straight ahead and I'll have further for you.
Okay, taxi straight ahead, American 1930.
American 2214, can you take those winds?
Nope.
Taxi straight ahead, I'll have further for you.
Straight ahead, American 2214.
Yeah, the gust is what's getting us, or it needs to be 260 in the direction.
Roger. Delta 2972, you said you could take them?
Yeah, if they haven't changed from what they were, give us one more time.
250 at 26, gust 44.
Off.
Is that a yay or a nay?
Stand by.
Yeah, it's 4920. Say winds one more time, please.
260 at 36, gust 44.
We need it to drop 1 knot, and then we can take it Delta 2972.
Roger that, Delta 2972, pull up 2 and hold short of Alpha 7.
Okay, up to and hold short Alpha 7, Delta 2972.
American 115 Heavy, turn left Alpha 7, and then hold short 31 left.
Make the turn at Alpha 7, hold short 31 left, American 115 Heavy.
American 19 at 38, turn right, make the hard right on Bravo, and then hold short of Alpha 7.
Art right on Bravo, hold short Alpha 7, American 1938.
Taxi American 1938, just hold short of the Bravo intersection there.
Hold short of Bravo, American 1938.
Now what do you got, Tower?
Showing 260 at 24, gust 47. American 115 Heavy, still good?
Affirmative for American 115 Heavy.
American 115 Heavy, fly runway heading, maintain 5,000, run at 31 left, you're clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 5,000, clear for takeoff on 31 left, American 115 Heavy.
Yeah, that's 4920, you can take that wind as well.
Roger, you'll be next. Delta 2972, I need you to pull straight ahead, and once you're a beam Alpha 6, just hold there.
Alright, we can take the winds, we just got to get everybody set in the back for Delta 2972.
Delta 2972, Roger, use Alpha 6, hold short 31 left.
Alpha 6, short of 31 left, Delta 2972.
For American 2598, American 1938, and American 2214, just let me know when y'all can take the winds.
Okay, test to be below at 35 knots. And Tower, sorry, Delta 2972, we'll be ready when you are.
Roger. Okay, with 4920, these ships out of 31 left, line up and wait, winds are 260 at 25, gust 47.
31 left, line up and wait, guys, 4920. Tower, Delta 2972, we just need full length if that's okay.
Delta 2972, Roger, use Alpha 7, hold short 31 left.
Thank you, Alpha 7 full length, Delta 2972.
American 115 Heavy, contact departure 126.47, you have a good flight.
167 for American 115 Heavy,